children, today we'll be discussing regarding one of the most important life process on this planet Earth, on which the whole living world is dependent and which makes the plant the producers. So today we'll be discussing regarding this life process, that is the photosynthesis, which you are quite aware of the term photosynthesis. It is this process through which the green plants prepare their own food. Now children, what happens at home? How mama prepares the food? What are the raw materials that are needed to prepare the food? Where the food is prepared? We know in the kitchen food is prepared and mama uses various raw materials to prepare the food. The same thing happens in nature, and it is the plant where the food is prepared. Now where does plant gets the raw materials? What are the raw materials? Where the food is prepared? Well, today we'll see the answers to these questions. Now, the part of the plant where food is prepared is the green leaves. So, the green leaves are the kitchen of the plant. These are the site, or these are the place where the food is prepared. So, the leaf are the kitchen or the food factories of the plant, but only the green leaves. Okay, so these are the place or the site or the kitchen of the plant. Now, in photosynthesis, what is prepared? The thing, or what do we get? What is the food? The food or the product of photosynthesis, or what we need is the food is the carbohydrate. So the process is photosynthesis, the kitchen is the leaf, and the food is the carbohydrate that is stored in the leaves in form of starch. Okay, now for this photosynthesis to occur, what are the raw materials? Now raw materials are the ingredients. Now the raw materials for photosynthesis are carbon dioxide, water and minerals, the green pigment chlorophyll, and your sunlight. Now these are the raw materials through which the plant will prepare the food through the process of photosynthesis. Now are all the raw materials available in the leaf or the plant, or does the plant has to get something from outside? Yes. All raw materials are not available in this leaf. Leaf only have this green pigment chlorophyll, and this chlorophyll traps the sunlight. Now from where do this carbon dioxide and water and minerals come to the leaf? Now you know, as we order online or we have delivery persons to deliver things to our home, in the same way we have two delivery boys. We have two delivery boys. Those are the stomatas. These two delivery boys are the stomatas and the vessels. So these two delivery boys are the stomata and the vessels. Now what do they deliver? The stomata delivers the carbon dioxide from the air, and the vessels deliver the water and minerals from the roots. So this is how the process of photosynthesis occurs in this kitchen, the nature's kitchen, that is the leaf. It has the raw materials carbon dioxide, it has water and minerals, chlorophyll and sunlight. By using this, it prepares the food, that is in form of carbohydrate. So what happens? In the leaf, it has special structure called as the chlorophyll, which are present in special structures called as the chloroplast. So leaf has chlorophyll. Now the sun, nature has sun. Now sun will be giving the energy or the light, and this chlorophyll will be trapping the light. Now carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, air has carbon dioxide, it will enter the leaves. Now how? Which is the delivery boy we have already discussed? The stomata. So the leaf has stomata. From the atmosphere, carbon dioxide will enter the stomata. Now, water and minerals, how they will come? Now, the roots, from the roots, these are the roots, from the roots from the soil, the root will absorb the water and minerals. Now, how these water and minerals will go to the leaf? Through these vessels. These are the vessels. These are the vessels which will transfer water and mineral to the leaf. So, the leaf is the kitchen. It has all the ingredients. Now it will prepare the food, and the food will be prepared in form of carbohydrate, and that food we consume. So see how amazing nature is, and what amazing kitchen the nature had, and how it uses the raw materials and the energy from the sun. As at home, we have gas burners or microwaves, and we use heat energy or the gas energy, LPG energy to cook food. In the same way, the leaf cooks the food with the help of the sun's energy. So this is how the process of photosynthesis occurs. So photosynthesis is a process by which green plants prepare their own food through these raw materials. Thank you.